Are you looking for a church website to share your message, announce upcoming events, and build an online community? Or, do you need a website to publish sermons easily, host live streams, and facilitate donations for your church? Introducing Chapel TNC, the best Webflow church religious template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNCode.com. Here you need to search Chapel TNC. Take a look at our Chapel TNC template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of Chapel TNC. Chapel TNC is a fully functional church template that makes connecting with your congregation a breeze. This Webflow template contains all the elements, pages, and sections that a church or religious website should have. Chapel TNC has a beautiful and modern design that can be easily customized to reflect your church's unique spirit. Showcase the heart and soul of your church with stunning photos and videos that capture the essence of your community. Let's take a look at our About Us page. Chapel TNC offers seamless customization features, allowing you to personalize every aspect and ensure a cohesive online experience. You can quickly create a website that will help your church thrive in the digital world. Apart from this, here you will find our Events page. Our Events page will help you announce upcoming events in an organized way, so that your audience is informed and present effectively. Then, here you will find our Sermons page. On this page, you can easily display your sermons with details such as videos, audio, or PDFs that allow you to highlight each one beautifully. Then, here you will find our perfectly designed ministry page. You can easily display each ministry on this page. This is our blog page. The blog page of this template is designed with precision to make it easy for visitors to find and read the blog they are looking for. Apart from this, Chapel TNC integrates seamlessly with secure online giving platforms, ensuring all donations are handled safely and with complete transparency. Now, let's see how to use Chapel TNC. This is our template Chapel TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change or edit everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable options. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Then you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. Here, I replaced this name from About Us with our services. You can also change the link type, page connection, open type or URL. Now let's customize this Donate Now button. Here I change button name from Donate Now and replace it with Click Here. You can also change the button link type, opening type or page connection. After that, you can easily change this hero image by clicking on Replace Image option. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero title heading. Here I just select the text and replaced it with, Hello, welcome to ThemeNCode LLC. Then you can also change this hero paragraph in the same way. Here you will see Ministry section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit the blog or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video or I can attach the link in the description box. Here is our footer section. You can customize this footer section according to your needs. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on Replace Image option. Let's change this footer paragraph. Here I edit and rewrite this paragraph. Apart from this, you can add or remove new social icons or social links. See here, I am changing this title quickly. You can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow church template, get Chapel TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNCode.com.